Okay, so let's talk about the perspective tool, which is this part here. I've talked about all the tools before in my previous video, one specific video, but the two separately, although in groups, because it will be stressful and necessary for me to give a video like this just 20 seconds and edit it and all this stuff. So that's why I decided to group them. So we're talking about perspective today, and for this perspective we have 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, curvilinear and isometric. So let's work on the 1 point. Now, as you can see, it usually gives us just 1 point to work with, and as you can see, anywhere I shift it to, okay, press lock, then anything you want to do, like if you wanted to like draw so yeah, I don't know why that one. Nope, I want to come off from here. Cool. So that is about it, guys. I hardly use all these tools. I just hardly use them. So bear with me, especially for this perspective tool. 2 points. I think the people or the Twitter artists that are actually gain from this more is those that are into comics and then background, all this stuff. I will learn them though. I'm going to learn them and work on them, but as you can see, it's just as I have said, guys, 1 and 2, they're just guides for you. But my best advice is whenever you want to use them, make sure to log them here, and then you need the grid to see what you're doing. I don't know, maybe lock them to help you. Let's say you wanted to draw a building. Don't know why it's straight. Okay, I think this course is close to the middle. Anyway, you get the gist. So that's just about it. Let me try to do something. Yeah, you guys understand what I'm trying to talk about. So if this was if all this part was the street now, if this was the street now, you see that you have road here, this building. This is like viewing the building in 3D. You understand? So you have some whatever doors here and all that. So that's just about it, guys. Like I said, it will just guide you. I am not very good with all these tools, guys. So just like that, you have the 3. As I have 2, you have 3, and so on. Then we have radial. Yes, I use most of these other ones. Sorry, we have curvilinear. I don't use curvilinear. Just gives you circle, more of the circle parts. Understand? So more like a circle guide. Then we have isometric. Isometric is cool. Well, the thing about isometric is just keeps everything straight. So everything depends on you. It looks more like those engineering drawings. So, yep, that's about it for the perspectives. Yep. Alright, guys, see you later.